lovelies, good morning and welcome to another video. It's early morning and I'm in the kitchen making breakfast. Today I'm going to show you how you can make biscuits without an oven. Yes guys, biscuits are so yummy, but you really don't need an oven. So if you want to make biscuits and you don't have an oven, that's a video for you, so keep watching. So y'all, making biscuits are very simple and very easy. You can go the non-traditional way by buying this biscuity thing. You can buy that. There are about $5 for this if you buy it conventionally in the grocery store, or you can get it other places a little bit cheaper. Sometimes you can even get it at the dollar store for $2-3. Okay, so you can go this way, and I'm just giving you an option. Or you can go the non-conventional way and you can make your own from scratch. So right here I have ghee, I have my almonds here, I have my almond milk that I just blend in, and I have my flour, my container of unbleached flour. As you can see, it's unbleached. I don't use any flour unless it's unbleached flour. I have my flour here, so you can use unbleached flour and you can make your mixture. Okay? So this is my bowl. I just added, I'm just gonna add my nut bag. Then I'm gonna pour in my almond milk in there. And then you just squeeze it out like that. You just squeeze out all your pulp like that. And that's your almond milk. Okay, and this milk, you can use it inside your mix for your biscuit. Or if you don't drink almond milk, you can use regular milk. And this is just 1% skim milk. And that's what my little son likes to drink. He doesn't, actually, that's the last bag he's going to drink today. There'll be no more regular milk in this house because nobody else drinks milk except him. Okay, so I use almond milk, and then you're gonna mix it all up and make this lovely dough here. You want the dough to be very thick. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the almond milk in there. And you're gonna mix that up. Now many people, they use buttermilk if you want, but since I'm not drinking any milk, so I'm not using that. But like I showed you before, if you're a milk drinker, you can add milk or buttermilk in there. Okay, I'm just adding almond milk in mine. And so you want it to be a very thick dough like this. And then once you make it like that, oh, did I mention? So I also add ghee in mine. So I add ghee. This is the last of it. I need to make some more. So I add ghee in the dough. And when you add the ghee, it has this little, if you see these little pieces of stuff in there. Yeah, this little tiny piece of stuff. And that's the ghee. And that's what's going to make your biscuits very nice and soft, because this is floating in there. You can also use butter if you want to get a really soft biscuit. So yeah. And right here, I have my pot. I'm using a cast iron pot. I have it nice and heated on the stove. And now we're going to put our mixture in.